use, or if you have marble ink. And I would do the white, and also I would do a green, or like say welcome hugs or honesty, or even like with the letter like this brand letter, or even the letter alphabet, O English letter. You can also using it the same thing with just get a opposite, because this one is like iridescent. So if I do, you can do the lighter background, because this is really cool and a strong background. It turned out not bad at all. I think it's really nice, vibrant for summers. But if you want a different look of it, that's another option. So I just want to share. You can do different backgrounds. It doesn't have to be this background. I am going to, after I squeeze out between like all that precision glue on between all that cracks and edges of the crystal and the beads, I am going to give it a really quick swipe on the side, so when I cure, it doesn't like looks lumpy at all. And cure for 60 seconds and it should be good. Great. But also you can do exactly the same thing with like a stickers. Oh, because this letter is all like pre-adhesive like that, so like you treat it like a stickers, but this one is like hollow stickers, like the same with your hollow butterflies, and it has like iridescent colors instead of solid base. The same if you can do the other stickers in that. There's so many of them there. Great. So I'm so excited for the live tutorial today. Alright, você das. I hope I don't miss anything. You are very welcome, Nuna. All right, so it's really cool. It's really is such a great live tutorial tonight. Even though I only do 3 nails, I would sit here and do so many different nails, but I don't want to people like we're all excited about the results and what it's gonna be for the really fun contest and press-ons and glue-on contests. I have to say like this, I have something is from deep from my heart I want to say. It was a really busy weekend because I flew to Seattle, like absolutely like just across the state from Florida to Seattle, just the kids going. This is my personal stuff. Like, I mean, we work, we love what we're doing, inspires each other, and then we have family as well. But I would never say too much is personal to affecting any of we are doing, inspire each other and learning. But I flew across the states, and it took the kids just yesterday, and then we flew right back in. We was just there in Seattle for a few hours and flew back in to Florida just now, just right before I go live. So I just arrived in like our airport and we're here, and then but we're working throughout like the time that we're flying, and well, throughout that's all the time that we receiving the press on and glue on nails contest from every single of you, and really appreciate it, and thank you so much for every single of you who even like participate, who even thinking of the contest, and who is think about it and then didn't get opportunity to do this time. We thanks to every single of you. It was so much fun. We always want to do this is for fun, not to stressful no one. So everybody is a winners already. So we all, we don't need to be better than anybody else, just but yourself.